In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up files on import in Lightroom, and I'll also clear up an important difference between Lightroom Classic and the cloud version of Lightroom. This is a quick but really useful workflow if you want a safer photo backup process the moment you bring your files into the app. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tutorials. Let's get into it. First, if you want to use backup on import, you need to know that this feature is available in Adobe Lightroom Classic. Lightroom Classic is the version that gives you the manual backup option during import. If you're using the newer Lightroom Desktop app, which is the cloud version, the process is different because it does not have a manual backup on import option in the same way. So let's start with Lightroom Classic. Open Adobe Lightroom Classic on your computer and then go to the import screen. You can usually do this by clicking the import button or by bringing in photos from your camera card, drive, or folder. Once the import dialog opens, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where the import settings are located. In that right panel, find the option that says Make a second copy to. This is the key setting that lets Lightroom create an automatic backup during import. Turn that option on and then choose where you want the backup to be saved. For best results, select an external drive, a second hard drive, or a dedicated backup folder on a separate location from your main photo storage. Choosing a separate location is important because the whole point is to protect your files. If your main drive has a problem later, your second copy gives you another place to recover your images from. Once you've selected the backup destination, continue with your normal import settings. Pick your source photos, decide whether you want to move, copy, or add them, and make sure everything looks correct before importing. When you're ready, click Import. Lightroom Classic will now bring your photos into the catalog and create that second copy automatically at the same time. That means your backup happens during import, so you don't have to manually duplicate the files afterward. It's a simple way to save time and make your workflow much safer. Now let's talk about Lightroom Desktop, the cloud version. In Adobe Lightroom, photos are automatically backed up to Adobe Cloud, but there is no manual backup option like make a second copy to during import. So if you're using Lightroom Desktop, your files are synced and stored in the cloud, but you won't see the same local backup control that Lightroom Classic provides. That's the most important difference to remember. Lightroom Classic gives you manual backup on the import. Lightroom Desktop relies on cloud backup instead. So if your goal is to create a second local copy while importing, Lightroom Classic is the version you want to use. If you're setting up a safer photo workflow, I'd recommend using Lightroom Classic with an external drive for your second copy. It gives you more control and a more traditional backup system. And if you are using Lightroom Desktop, just remember that your photos are handled through Adobe Cloud rather than a manual second copy import option. And that's it. Now, you know how to back up files on import in Lightroom, and you know the difference between Lightroom Classic and Lightroom Desktop. If this helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.